Hey, what's up, Charging here, and today we're gonna be playing some more Final Fantasy 13-2 for the. Not Final Fantasy 13 actually. Final Fantasy 13 Lightning Returns for the Xbox 360. And the reason I'm doing this is because the reason why I like everything, like I picked up items to give it a new ability, and the ability is a new Skedama. Is this? It's a wizard class. So pretty much Hope it was explaining things. They gave like way too much dialogue that was pointless. He was just starting to ramble on about stupid stuff that you'll normally do in an RPG game. So I just I just cut that out. And you guys already know how to do escapeful
That
things.
is the Book of Conquest. It draws on your memories to recreate foes that you have previously defeated, so you can fight them.
Pretty much this right here, this bookshelf, you can fight your opponents again. So as you guys remember in the first part, I defeated that big ugly looking boss, but I'm not supposed to fight it again. What I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to go into the boss fight. EP abilities, I already know how to use these. So pretty much what you do, I'm going to the tutorial. You don't have to switch. I'm just my savior. And you pretty much press RB, and you can click counter clock. Press LT, and then it'll happen. Use Kura, and fully restores Lightning's health all the way, but escape. And then you escape no matter what. I'm guessing. I have
no more lectures today.
Problems with escape.
You can head for this. Just remember though,
you're giving the savior a curfew.
There is a good. We can use the.
Yeah, that machine right there. Pretty much, I do everything before 6 a.m. and at night, and cause like it's morning and it's a new day. But this would transport me to the Earth. So let's start saving people, I guess. So part 2 of Final Fantasy Lightning Returns. Final Fantasy 13 Lightning Returns, part 2. Let's get started. Click the A.
By using the warp device, I can teleport you back down to the surface.
I'm worried about Snow. I should go to his palace.
You could, but I suggest you visit another city instead.
You want me to abandon Snow?
Down on the surface, time is stopped for everyone. The palace will still be on high alert. It would be next to impossible to get anywhere close to Snow.
You're saying I should let things cool down first.
That's exactly what she's saying.
I'm going to send you to Luxarian. It's the capital of the world. I'll place you inside it when the train stops at the station. Something has happened in front.
All right.
You're surprisingly
brave.
That's good. But you still need to stay safe.
Let's go. Going on an adventure. It's a whole new world. I'm sorry, just had to. I'm sorry. Just had to. It's a whole new world. So let's go on an adventure. I don't know what you guys might see in the comments. Comments like, oh, so not HD on the best camera quality. Actually, I actually getting a camera pretty soon. Actually, I don't care what people say. Honestly, like 100 times. So, we started. So yeah, here's Luxorian. I don't listen to him pronounce it at all. So. Flashing it. If I camera flashed a couple of times at the end of the video, I apologize for that. I heard you sounds. But yeah, so here I am. I'm gonna lift the camera up some. There we go. You can still see. Yeah, welcome to Luxord. Luxor, I mean. What's up, cities? Luxoron, I mean. It's not Luxoron. Luxoron. Luxie?
Luxarian.
Luxarian.
A bustling metropolis. The divine city of light. In the holy sea of salvation. It's the last bastion of peace and order in a dying world. Most of the people who live here worship the almighty Benevelza. The city is governed in his name by a powerful religious sect known as the Order of Salvation. God's followers believe in ultimate redemption, and their faith helps keep the fires of hope burning. in this pious city, a darkness lurks untouched by divine light. A heresy that rejects the teachings of Supreme Benevelza.
Oh wow. She's on the floor.
It's another girl.
How awful.
What do you mean by
What's
another
the
girl?
heretics doing?
I can't see. You guys are in
The
my way.
divine city doesn't look so holy now.
Can't see
This
what
was no
happened.
accident.
Oh yeah.
The girl was left here intentionally.
Dagger.
Light! Help her!
There's no need. Just a dummy. Hope, did you see who dropped it? They must still be close.
My sensors didn't pick up anything at all. I'm running a search of the city's video database, but I'm coming up blank so far.
Doesn't matter. I'll just find out myself. Luxarian. The divine city of light. Is that what they call it? Trouble is, the brightest lights cast the darkest shadows.
I know who that is. When they showed his arm, and if you play Final Fantasy 13, that shoe, you'll know who that is. You'll know who the Shadow Hunter is. You guys know. But this is pretty much you you have to figure out the murders.
It looks like someone's targeting the Savior.
It can't be. Damn it.
Something wrong?
God no.
So this is pretty much what this guy is saying. I don't want to bore with his like boring stuff. Pretty much what this guy is saying is that his partner, or the guy that's supposed to take his shift, has gone missing.
Alright.
And so we have to find his friend. I already know his friend is, but you can't talk to him until later on after you accept this quest over here.
We need to solve this. Luxarian is the people's.
So pretty much over here we have to help this guy solve this case.
You may also.
Okay, so yeah, that's the main quest, and the other thing is side quest. So let's go talk to people.
The order has locked the area down.
First, couple of people I want to talk to. Over here.
It could be an opportunity to.
No one, absolutely no one doubts that the people behind the killings are those heretics. The Order is conducting its inquisitions based on that assumption. The Etro fanatics who worship the goddess of death are all over the place. Just look for the sinister groups huddled together, dressed head to toe in white. It may mean nothing, but some people have witnessed the Etro heretics using the public phone near the graveyard. Furtive conversations in the street.
The Savior's mission is to rescue the souls of people trapped in prisons of pain and suffering. By forming a bond with them,
There's a lady
you
that
can lead their
comes.
souls to salvation.
I'm supposed to give you like really useful information, but I can't find it. I think she's gone.
Huh. You have. Thank you, Phil.
You should head to areas with lots of foot traffic. Try your luck at the station or the plaza out in front.
Yeah, see, she will appear
I
soon
always
after.
said those people would cause trouble. Every night I can see them, those weirdos in their white cloaks sneaking around the streets. Whenever I see white, I think, "Ugh, heretic." If there's one thing I know, that wicked shadow hunter, he's the ringleader of the heretics. Those fanatics are growing bold. Nowadays, there's always a gang of them in the plaza in front of the... It's as if they are meeting to go someplace else. Speaking of which, it's usually around this time they start to...
That's vital information. Good work, Light. At this rate, you'll solve the murder in no time.
If you find new info.
You should head to areas with lots of foot traffic. Try your luck at the station or the plaza out in
I
front.
should ask everybody that you can get enough thing in the station, I'm pretty sure. Talk to this guy here. No, him. Complete the quest. Let's
You
finish
work
the
at the
quest.
station, don't you?
My. Oh no! Is it time for my shift already? I completely lost track. Look, can I trust you? I saw who did it. I got scared, so I've been laying low.
You were there?
I don't have to do anything. Get me to the station, and
We might have to guard this guy to the station.
Gather information and report to the Inquisitor in charge.
Okay, there's a cool thing that I can show you guys now. EPAs. I'll let me show you.
The Inquisitor will definitely be very interested in this information. Want to talk to a few more people?
Holmes, you're safe. Sorry, boss. I'm sorry I let you down. Never mind. Guess I never told. I panicked and asked. I can't believe no one told me that. From now on, I swear to you, I'm never going to be late. I mean, what of your heart?
A true friend, Vic.
So yeah, this is the first quest that we complete, and these are the first 2 souls we saved. It gives us maximum 30 HP and plus 3 strength.
Well, a deal's a deal. You got me here safe and sound, so I'm going. It was the children of Etro. They tossed it. I really wanted to tell the Inquisitor, but I was afraid those heretics might find.
Obtain the last viable information. Someone end the video here.
Witness statement.
Or at the hope for
I'm
stop.
pretty sure the Inquisitor can use the information.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment below if you want to see more Final Fantasy. Peace.
You should
Charging
cooperate
out.
with the investigation.